beans when I roll with Justin. I drank lean, not Robitussin. You know I'm bugging. I told her we related just so the bitch would blow my cousin. I'm coming back and I'm spitting fire. And you singing like Jeremiah. I won't retire. I'm gonna get higher. I'm gonna be flyer. You a fucking liar like Stitch C. Lyrically, y'all be killing me up in the industry. And drink vodka mixed with the Hennessy. I really don't do that, but you get it, B? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me kill him with the flow. Snip another quarter ounce of blow. Put a nigga nose, cause the motherfuckers already be knowing that I'm touring on the road. I'll be like, whoa, like a black Rob. Motherfuckers know that I be getting on that job. And she wanna swallow my knob like corn on the cob. And they know that you're gonna get robbed. I'm back on my shit. Y'all already know that I will not quit. I'm too legit like MC Hammer. I'ma just shit in the pamper. You say word to my grandma. Woo! Sippin' on Douce. I'm popping your bitch in a coochie, cause she's juicy, just like her booty. I'm the main like Gucci. You probably didn't get it, but I'm with a water whipping in the kitchen. These motherfuckers know that I be terrific and I be never written. The motherfucker really be spitting. Whoa, let me get on the beat. I made your bitch spit on my meat. And it,
Oh, shit. Flying Fury.